So we're at day 3 of the Silver Summit 2024. This is Buzz Canter, and we have finished it. This is the Sunday lunch gathering. So do a run with some of the cars that have made it, about 850 miles or so, I'm guessing. Healy. This is the 280 SL Mercedes that Tabitha and I bought about a month ago and drove out from Vermont. So we have about 3,000 miles on this trip. A Z car, Jensen Healy, Mini, Pantera, Di Tommaso Pantera. There's several of them here. A Datsun 2000, Judge, GTO Judge, Malibu, Chevy Malibu, an early one. Boxster, not sure how that got in here because it's supposed to be 1979 or older. A 944 Porsche, 911 Porsche, Austin Healy replica of a race car, pretty cool. Trans Am, another Mini. And we've spent 2.5 days all over California, all over New Mexico and Colorado. We're in Taos this morning. A BMW, another Di Tommaso Pantera, 1940 Ford. Hez and Penny Salisbury rode that, the oldest car here. On the other side, Targa 911, another Pantera. Mustang, not sure how that got in because that's too new technically to be here, but I guess something happened. 911, Triumph TR 250, green 911, another 911. They're breeding, I think, here. 911. Porsche 911, I guess they must have parked as a group. Mustang Fastback, 6-cylinder Porsche 914, 240Z Datsun, convertible Mazda RX-7, Audi. This is Dave Ward's. Dave promotes this thing. I'm not sure what this is. Toyota, why this is here. Probably our photographer. A Cosworth Ford Escort RS Rally Sport with a Cosworth motor, an SL Mercedes, a 2002 BMW, that's the model, not the year, another Pantera, another 914 Porsche, a Lotus Europa, and a BMW M Series. So it's unbelievable, the groups, the machines that show up. So look at this scenery, look at that background. Once again, this is Buzz Canter. Today we're talking about cars, not motorcycles, but we'll get back to motorcycles soon. If you like this video, please click like on that little red box on the bottom, and you'll be notified when there's new videos put up.